Welcome back to Digital Dreamer. Today I'll be showing you how to create a palindrome checker in Python. To start, create a function. We'll call it check palindrome. And we'll have it pass in the input because we want for it to be able to check if it's a palindrome. Now, create a new variable, call it reversed string. Set it equal to a blank string. Next, say for, we'll say index in range, and if you don't know what the range function is, it'll just stop, and it'll tell you how much to and what it's supposed to do with index each time. So we want to start at the end of the string, so that's length of input string minus 1, and you want to end at 0, but it won't include the last one, so we do minus 1, and we want index to keep decreasing, so we also say minus 1. Now you want to say reverse string plus equal to input string of I. That'll give you this string backwards. Now you want to say if reverse string is equal to input string. Then you say, then you can return true. Otherwise, return false. Now, now you're done with your check palindrome function if you want it to be case sensitive. Because see, to show that it's case sensitive, open check palindrome. And then also race car. Oh, sorry, I made a small mistake there. This should be index. There we go. That's true. But see if I put race car with the capital R, it'll say false because this capital R is different from this lowercase r. If you don't want it to be case sensitive, you need to say lower string equals input string dot lower, and replace any other usages of input string with lower string. Here, that's it. Now, this should say true. If you want to take it even further, you could even use this as a boolean. If check palindrome race car print true, or print at palindrome. Whoop. Whoop. Otherwise, you can print not a palindrome. Yay! Now, race car, it'll say, it's a palindrome. Woo, woo. Say hello. It's not a palindrome. Oh, I said yay. Wah. Now, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to be notified about more videos. Keep coding and keep watching.